Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really cool layered card for you. This is my football layered card. Now I'm not a sports fan, but how cool is this card? You have that fun little action shot where the kicker, quarterback, outfielder, I don't know, where the sports person is kicking the football. And then on the inside there's a spot for your message, and of course I included envelope as well. This one is really simple to put together. It's just a few layers and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. Okay, for today's project we're going to need our Cricut cutting machine, our Cricut standard grip or light grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and of course your cardstock. Now that we know which materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account with us already, you can go ahead and click the sign up button and you'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. Go ahead and take a look at all the different options and select which one is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'm going to go ahead and add my credentials and log into the website. And now I've logged into my account. To access the file libraries, you can use the main navigation bar and go to the Files tab. Now this file is free, which means it's available to all membership tiers. Those with free memberships can go to the Free Files page. Basic and Premium memberships can go to the File library. For this project, you'll want to look for number 817. That is the football layered card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the file has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this little icon here to drop down the layers. Highlight this top layer. Come over to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Click on that little icon. Highlight the top layer. Change it to Score. Highlight the group and attach. Once you've converted those two layers, you can go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is layer up the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the green layer, then yellow, brown, orange, and then I'm using black, but you could also use a darker gray. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit while I put all this together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side for just a few minutes. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. Set that to the side. Let's take our card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line. We can open up that card base and attach our messaging panel to the inside. Close up the card, and now we can attach that front cover panel to the front. And there is our fun football card. I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side so everything can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Let's take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Attach that over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How fun was this one to make? I definitely think that any football fan would love to get this card. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for me today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye-bye.